Hello, beauty lovers. Welcome to Get Ready with me. My name is Jennifer Woolsey, and I'm a national leader with AVON, and I am in Colorado. I'm in Fluorescent, Colorado, right? Fluorescent. I can't say it right. Anyway, we're close to to Woodland Park in Colorado Springs. I'm going to show you our little Airbnb real quick before we hop in. Say hello whenever you guys get on. So this is the back part. The sun is coming up. This is our water feature, so I thought it would be cool to get ready with you guys in front of the water feature. It's pretty cool. There's my sister Ashley and my sister Crystal. They're with me getting ready this morning. Okay. Let's turn. They're not happy with me, I'm sure, for putting them on camera. Okay, here we go. You're back with me. So, what do you guys have going on this morning? Can y'all see that nice water feature? It may make you need to go to the restroom while we're getting ready. That's okay. They're laughing at me. All right, so let's hop in. We've already done our morning regimen. Of course, I'm using lots of moisturizer in Colorado because it's very drying here, so I feel like my skin is just needing that extra nourishment. So I've already done all the skincare. We're going to hop right into our makeup. I'm going to start this morning with some Magic Swan. Good morning. Hi, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna have to use this because the sun is coming in, and I hope that you guys can see me because I didn't bring my lights or my tripod. I got a little bit of sun on my nose. We got to go out yesterday to the Garden of the Gods. Really wasn't sunny when we were there, but anyway, they're laughing at me. So I'm gonna let that set for just a second, and then we are going to go in with our Magic's tint. Put just a smidge on your hand. That's in shade Fair. Got our beauty blender, and we're going to blend. So, what do you guys have going on? I think today my theme is talking about just living life to the fullest. My sister and I decided kind of last minute to come out to Colorado on a little sister's trip. My baby niece Audrey turned a year old today. Aubrey. I always say her name wrong, but I love her. I flew to Colorado to see her. I don't even know where I am. Y'all are making me laugh. Okay, so we've got that blended in. Now I'm going to go back over that concealer and just blend that a little bit. This is a light coverage, so it's not going to be super full, but it still gives you a good little shade. Okay, got it done. All right, girls, let's work on these brows. So today we're flying out. You know what? I've got a little bit of extra on my hand. I'm going to go back in. We're going to go back in. So today we're flying out. So we've had a great trip. We got to go see the Garden of the Gods. And we went up to a little town called Cripple Creek, Colorado. Shout out to my Colorado girls. This is a beautiful area. My sister and her family live here. Okay. One is done. So what's something that you've done just on a whim? You just had a feeling that you needed to do it, and you just packed up and did it. And that's what I call living life out loud. Of course, we had to leave our spouses and our kids at home. But sometimes it's nice to get away. My sisters are like, darn. Okay. Those things are sisters. I'm not sure they're twinning. What do you think this morning? Good morning, Mandy. How are you? I'm in Colorado. I just lost my setup. Check out this water feature at our Airbnb. If you guys are ever in the area wanting to come to Colorado, right now the leaves are changing, so it is beautiful here. And if you're ever in the area and want a good Airbnb, this is called Twin Rocks Airbnb in Fluorescent. Just Fluorescent. We're close to Manitou Springs. Manitou Springs. We're going in with some translucent loose powder. Woo! It's blowing in my nose this morning. So pretty and so jelly. You have oh, it is chilly this morning. I don't know what the has anybody looked at the I'm not sure what the temperature is this morning. Sorry for that. It is chilly here in the mornings. It gets up though. Yesterday it got up to like 80 degrees, so it warms up. But man, in the mornings it's like probably 57. Like 57 degrees in Colorado. So I'm gonna use, I brought my new Time to Shine palette. We've got 24 beautiful eyeshadow colors in this. This will be soon, so if you guys want to pre-order it, be sure and message me, or you can check out my website, youravon.com/jwoolsey. It also has 2 blushes and 2 highlighters. So we're gonna go in, I think we're gonna do neutrals today since we're flying. So do you guys do your makeup whenever you're gonna fly? See, I'm flying with my older sister, and she's a makeup diva. So I have to be sure and do my makeup so I can look good next to her. She looked like she going on a runway show is what her friends at work tell her. So, we're using just a light taupe. I don't know if the light's good enough for you guys. So have you ever been to Colorado? What's your favorite thing to see? I'll tell you. This is my second trip to Colorado. I used that light shade right there. We're going to go in with this darker right here and work on our crease. The first time I came was about 10 years ago is what we figured out. We don't get up here much. With my husband and the boys. And we started down in Gunnison, Colorado, so he could do some fishing. Well, let me tell you something. If you're a nature person, that's where you want to go. Because they don't got no Wi-Fi. They don't have no malls. It is desolate. It's beautiful, though. So then we drove up to my sister's in Colorado Springs and got to stay a couple of days with them. And it's just beautiful. I love this area. Okay, can you see that crease? Okay. They're laughing at me. I'm probably doing something wrong. Alright. Now we're going to go in with our Glimmer Stick eyeshadow. So what else have we done? We went to Cripple Creek and ate at a really nice restaurant. And then went shopping in Manitou Springs. They have a store called the Christmas Store. And you guys, it's open year round. It is the coolest store. It has every kind of Christmas decoration you can think of. Every kind of ornament. And they even gave my niece a free one for her first birthday, which was really cool. I'm using a black glimmer stick this morning. For some reason, my eyes are watering. It may be because it's windy as crap out here. Not sure what's going on. Okay, we'll let those eyes dry and we'll work on the blush. So, I think we're going to do more just a highlighter this morning. I'm going to use those 2 shades and blend them together and just do a little highlight. So, when we drove in, FYI, AT&T phone reception does not work out here. When we drove in, the colors of the leaves are changing. These trees in Colorado are beautiful. Okay, so we got the highlighter. We just did a little kiss on the cheeks. I forgot my lipstick. Oh well. Curling these lashes. I'm going to use Love Mascara. Because they're so jealous we have sweaters on. It's cold. I don't have socks on. My toes are freezing. I'm probably blocking the screen with my mirror here. Sorry. My niece was telling me yesterday, or day before yesterday, they're all kind of running together, that she spends 20 minutes on her eyelashes. I was like, who has 20 minutes to spend on their eyelashes? But she's 20. She's a teacher. She don't have no kids. She don't know what it's like to do a quick mommy look. I think my sister does too, but she's not 20, and she don't have any kids at home anymore. But she gets up at 4 o'clock in the morning, so I'm like, this girl would be going to work with nothing. Okay. Yeah, that's why y'all should watch, because I share about y'all's families. I tell all your business like I am in my book. I'm on the 4th chapter. I may come up here and just write my book. Okay. We have no lipstick, but we got the face. What do y'all think? Is this a good morning look? The crowd says good. All right, guys. We got to get ready to get on our flight. Enjoy one last picture of that waterfall. Thank you guys for getting ready with me. If you enjoyed what you learned today, please share and give makeup tips for someone that you know. If you like any of the products I use, you can get them on your avon.com/jwoolsey. And I hope you all have a fantastic Monday. See you later.